And also related to that is the next strategy, or after art, is the seventh strategy is acting it out. So they can read something, and then you can work on actually, either you can take that responsibility and act out what that looks like.
Right.
Or you can invite them to do it. And you can do that in a lot of different ways. I mean, it can be like, if you have a little toy fish and you put it in a little glass bowl and there's the fish swimming in the fish bowl, and should we add sand? Should we add plants? And talking them through that, and you physically making a representation of what it is. It can also be that they're going to pretend to be a fish laying on this fish bowl that's represented by a blanket or their bed or the couch or whatever it is. That they can kind of act out what they're reading to kind of make that connection that way. That they're it's whole body experience.
Right. Yep.
That visualization is getting out of their head and putting it, like I said, with the art one, putting it on paper, or I mean, even modeling clay or something like that. Like, it doesn't have to be drawing, but any artistic representation or acting it out, those are both just reinforcing that visualization strategy with those other kind of like sub-strategies in a way. Like, you know,
and I even found that for my kids, you know, as they got older, like history events, acting things out like that, it made it so much easier for them to comprehend, because those texts are so dry. And it's like, okay, everybody off the couch, let's act this out. And it made it so much easier. And then me trying to reread it over and over again, and them going, I still don't get it, because they could not visualize it. There was too much involved in the whole process. So yeah, that's an incredible strategy to use. And I love the idea that you shared with, you know, like the modeling clay, or the little, even like their characters, like they may have favorite like superhero characters or whatever they love to play with, but having them act it out. That's some great ideas.